100 days of tips and tricks for Spearos until I'm a fully sponsored Spearo. Wetsuits, open sole and closed sole. This is an open sole wetsuit. You can see it's not the same fabric on the inside as the outside. All wetsuits have this fabric, however, normal wetsuit, closed sole, have this same fabric or different, covering it on the inside. That means the closed sole wetsuits last a lot longer, but they're not as flexible and comfortable, and they don't keep you as warm, guys. In the cold Cape Town weather, I much prefer using a 5mm, which is quite thick, open sole. Very comfortable. I use a double long john piece. The bottoms I wear underneath this, and this goes over, basically giving you 10mm on the top. Dive safe, guys.